Wyzant Review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Wyzant isn't just another tutoring platform. You won't believe how its pricing works and how it can help you learn efficiently. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's a subscription service. The surprising truth is Wyzant operates on a pay-per-session model, giving students full control over costs and tutors. Pricing depends on the tutor's rate, subject and experience. Hourly rates range from to over per hour. You won't believe the variety. You can find experts in math, coding, languages, and even niche skills like music theory or test prep. Wyzant takes a 25% service fee from the tutor's rate, which covers the platform scheduling, payment processing and support, but students pay only for tutoring time. Most people get this wrong by focusing on hourly cost alone. The real value comes from personalized learning, matching you with the right tutor, and flexible scheduling. For example, students can choose online or in-person sessions, track progress, and adjust lessons to their pace, often achieving faster results than traditional classes. In conclusion, Wyzant pricing is transparent and flexible. By understanding hourly rates, subject complexity, and the pay-per-session model, you go from zero to pro in evaluating what you get for your money. It's more than tutoring, it's a tailored learning experience.